My name is Van Hetchel. I'm the Managing Director of Extraordinary Ventures. We're a nonprofit that creates businesses that employ adults with developmental disabilities. Some of the problems that we've always had with making candles is wick placement specifically, and measuring out an exact amount of wax that goes in a candle. So this project has been really unique and is hopefully going to solve our biggest pain problem.
Our first device is the wax dispenser, as you can see here. This device dispenses the exact amount of wax to make one candle. The first step in the process is you take this cup, which is empty, and you place it right here into the device. The next step is to press the drawer all the way in. At this point, the cup will fill completely with wax. Then you can slide the drawer back out. And then from the bottom you can use your 2 fingers to slide the cup back out. And here you have 1 cup's worth of wax. The next device is the stirring lid. First, our client will pour 1 cup of wax into the metal container. Then he places the lid on top of the metal container. Next, you place the stirring device through the stirring lid and can mix the melting wax. Once the wax reaches 180 degrees, the scent is ready to be poured in. Our client can stick the scent right through the middle of our stirring lid. While the wax is melting, you need to make sure that it reaches 180 degrees. In order to do this, there is a laser infrared thermometer that he can stick through the stirring lid to measure the temperature. This base template serves as a guide for where our client should place the wicks in the candle holder. First, he places 2 pieces of tape on either side of the wick. Then, he places the candle holder onto the base template and tapes the bottom of the wick to the corresponding engraved circle. He does the same thing for the second wick. The next step is to pour the wax into the candle holder. Then, the wick holder device can be placed on the back of the candle holder, and each wick is clipped into place. Now we leave the candles to dry overnight.
How are you doing?
Good.
It's good.
So in this next section, we're going to show you Bob testing our device. This is his first time using the device, and because of his autism, it's going to take him a while to get used to it. But as you can see, he is already able to use quite efficiently the stirring lid without any sort of problem. He will eventually become more accustomed to both the wick holder and the funnel, which we will see him testing in a little bit. And his efficiency on these devices will improve as he trains on them. Bob's job coach has also been trained on these devices and can let us know of any problems that arise so we can make adjustments. We have verified that all of our devices work by testing them and making candles ourselves. The verification process with Bob will take a little bit longer depending on how long it takes him to learn how to use the devices. However, we will be checking back in with the Extraordinary Ventures and passing surveys out to the supervisors to see how Bob's autonomy and productivity have increased.
It's going to help increase independence of all of our candle makers because wick placement and the wax measurement is the hardest part of making a candle. And the future impact of this project is that we're actually looking at being replicated right now in 3 to 5 different cities across the country who would be replicating this business. So we would potentially have be able to scale the impact of these devices in the candle making process and employing people across the country.
Hi, my name is Tom Cole. I work here at Extraordinary Adventures. And once Bob is fully trained on using the device, he'll be self-sufficient in the workplace.